How to measure and install an insect screen to an OXXO Comercial Bradnams. Welcome to another Starline Security video. Today we're going to teach you how to measure and install a fly screen sliding door set to an OXXO Commercial sliding door. When measuring and installing, select the tools you'll need to measure and install to avoid going back and forth to your vehicle multiple times. When check measuring for an insect OXXO door, don't forget to note down the compulsory items and any accessories you'll need to complete the job. These can include interlocks, bug strips, H receivers, and sometimes top and bottom tracks. For this job, we're installing two F interlocks, an H receiver, two 25mm bug strips, one for each sliding door. Measure the width of both doors from interlock to interlock gives us 2022mm. Deduct 4mm to compensate for the lock striker plate and the H receiver. Then divide by 2 and deduct 1mm to a manufacture size of 1008mm. Measure the height from the top pip track to the bottom pip track. Measure the left, middle and right sides. This door is reasonably straight, with 2400mm as the opening size. Deducting 14mm for top and bottom wheels gives a manufactured size of 2386mm. Measuring the lock height. Measure from the bottom channel to the top of the glass door handle, at around 40mm. The lock height will be 1150mm. If the door height is taller than 500mm, a mid-rail is needed. Measure from the bottom channel to the center of the glass decals, in this case 1030mm. Deduct 10mm to compensate for the bottom wheels. Installing the door. Attach top guides to the door for a smooth sliding. Lift the door into place, making sure the lock and receiver are in the correct position. Square the doors with each other and the glass door set. Align both doors with the glass door back interlocks while checking to see both doors are aligned where they meet. Once the doors are square, measure the H receiver, in this case 2380mm. Deduct 4mm for the cut size. Note that this is a custom cut because the H receiver is close to the bottom sill. Then fix your H receiver with panhead screws. Installing the lock by installing the cylinder first. Face the cylinder tongue towards the jamb. Turn the key and then insert and tighten with the cylinder screw provided. Carefully install the lock handle faceplates, holding the door firmly to avoid slipping the drill bit and damaging the fly screen mesh. Engage the striker in the lock. Peel the tape and close the door. Reopen the door, check the striker position and fix off with countersunk screws. Measure and cut the interlocks and fix them to the back edge of the doors. Measure from the bottom of the fixed glass door side sill to the top of the glass. Deduct 10mm for the cut size of your F interlocks. Fix the F interlocks with security screws on both sliding doors. Install the bug strip. Close the doors, measure from the interlock to the receiver. Thread the pile into the bug strip. Remove the tape and crimp off the ends. Install the bug strip with the doors closed to make sure both strips are close together in the center. There you go. You've learned how to measure and install an OXXO insect screen sliding door. For more videos like this, check our YouTube channel.